This video is for the beginners to be able to make money online. And you can make $100 a day to $1,000 a day, even far more money. And I will show you step by step how you can achieve it. At first, I will show you my money, and then I will show you your money, and then I will show you how you can grab your money to your pocket. Sounds good? Let us begin. This is a complete beginner-friendly method, and you can do it from anywhere in the world, from any experience level, any gender, any location, using your computer and your internet connection. And you can do it without experience, without technical knowledge, without a website, without hosting server, without mailing list, and without social media following. If all that sounds good, give us a like and share this video with your friends, family, social media contacts, and your social media timelines like Facebook and Twitter. This way you will help us help 100 million people in the next 10 years learn how to make money online, the easy way, the fast way, and the fun way. Yes, this is the goal of this channel. And you will help your friends, family, social media contacts learn what you are learning. They will love you for sharing this information, they will follow you for more, and they will eventually become your first customers and clients. This is what happened to us. This is how we make money, and you can do it too. Start today. Give us a like and share this video. And if you subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button. YouTube will notify you when we will upload our next money making video. So let us begin. This is a random screenshot from one of my Warrior Plus affiliate accounts. I also launch new products in this account. And in this page, you can see the sales generated from affiliates. So these are our beautiful affiliates. I just hid their names for privacy. They sent us all these sales, and our affiliates made these commission, $154,204. And the rest of the money came to us. This sounds really exciting. Money is definitely good and motivating, but that's not the most important number here. The most important numbers in this screenshot are these numbers. These are the hops, are the clicks of our beautiful customers who watched videos or contents like this video, learned new stuff, got help from this video, and clicked the links, affiliate links of our affiliates. Those clicks are the hops. And when they purchased using those hops, we made money and our affiliates made affiliate commissions. Pretty much passive income, but passive for those who actually made contents to help others with information, and that information can be simple information. So yes, we make money using videos like this, but for all our other 20 plus channels, we don't use camera and microphone because all of our team members are not professionals and they cannot use cameras and microphones. They need easy solutions. So for our beginner team members, we built our own software, Epic. Epic is an artificial intelligence software that allows you to make videos using image, text, links, bookmarks, notes, screenshots, but you don't need to use camera and microphone. But in case you want to use camera and microphone, you can. You can upload your videos in case you're comfortable with it using the video section. But in this video, we will cover how to use Epic with image and text. Now, I'm showing Epic because Epic is my software and we use Epic to make videos using 2 to 3 minutes of our times. But I'm happy to present Epic to you because it's free to start. Link is in the description. Go grab Epic and start. Epic allows us to make videos using artificial intelligence. With Epic, we don't need to write scripts. We just go to the text section, click the text generator, copy any text from anywhere, paste it here, use any of these buttons, and Epic AI rewrites the text for us, and that text is out. Then we take that text and go to the audio section, go to text to audio section and click the add button, put the text here, then one click, that text turns into natural sounding voiceover. So Epic users don't need to use their microphones or record their voiceover, but they can if they want. Epic users don't use camera because they don't have to. And Epic users don't write script because Epic writes the scripts for them using AI. Epic is free, link is in the description. Now, if I want to put this money motivation screenshot into Epic, I'll just copy the screenshot, go to another section. Oh, by the way, Epic allows us to make videos in small, tiny sections. You can use one section or multiple section, 1 second video or 10 minutes video, choice is yours. So we're going to use another section to make our life easy so we can come back anytime and edit anytime we want. And once we are done, we will simply click this render button and the video will be ready. By the way, the video I'm talking about, all this content will be inside Epic, and our Epic users will get this campaign or this video as done for you template and they can use it for their own videos. You can get it too if you start today. So I'm gonna go to the image section, click this button and Control V, the image is here, click upload and the image is uploaded in the library. In one click, I will import it to the canvas and now I can play with it, zoom it if I want, rotate it if I want, and basically do whatever I want. Let's move on to where is your money. At a new section, click Save Changes. Your money is in other people's pocket and they will pay you that money only when you give them something they are looking to buy right now. So how do you know what people are buying right now? One of the easiest ways is Amazon. Go to the best sellers and find any product that has high rating and a lot of positive feedback, just like this product. So I'm going to take this, copy it and put it in this section so our Epic users can use this as part of their videos, and click save. I want to add a new section for the next part. Name this slide example. So here is an example. This product has very high rating and a lot of positive feedback, and I personally purchased this item 2 times and it's not cheap at all. It's more than $100 price. Why did I buy? This may not be useful to you, but this may be useful to a lot of people. At least you see 670 sales happened from this listing alone, and this has a lot of positive reviews. So a lot of people need it, and we will definitely test they're still buying or not. But come on, I purchased 2 times. Why? Because right now I'm using this device. This device is connecting my high definition camera with my computer. It's very hard without this device. That's why in order to connect 2 cameras with 2 of my computers, I purchased it twice. And unfortunately, I can't find one of them. So I'm thinking of buying it again. Now you saw a customer. I am a customer because I need it. So how do you know what I need? You will know from this title. All these keywords: Elgato, Cam Link, broadcast, live record via DSLR, camcorder, action cam, compact HDMI. Everything is important. Then you go about this item. Check what it's talking about and what detailed problems it solves. Then here is the best of the best part and my most favorite part and probably the most boring part for a lot of people. And that's the customer reviews. But from customer reviews, what you will learn, you cannot learn from anywhere else. People will talk about where they used it, why they used it, why they loved it, why they hated it. Literally everything customers need. So go ahead, read all this. What you will learn is golden. Look, you have a tool, Epic, which is free, link is in the description. And to demonstrate a customer's problem and solution to their problems and how good the product is, how cheap the product is, you can speak to your audience, help them with information they are looking for using simple screenshot. It's a matter of adding a screenshot in a section of Epic and simply talk about it. And if you don't like talking about it, use text to turn it into voiceover and make it a video. Now, why video? Because videos are the easiest way to find and communicate with customers, and you can actually sell and make money without trying to sell. Now, right here, I'm not trying to sell anything. I'm just telling you the benefits of everything I'm talking about and how you can make money. So this video is actually solving your problem of learning how to make money online. And for that, I'm giving you information. You are doing the same. In fact, we do the same. Hundreds of thousands of other people do the same. Using the power of YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, all those video media channels. Now let me show you why I came here searching for this long phrase while literally nobody else is making video about this. It's to avoid competition. So I started from copying Elgato Cam Link and I copied and pasted the key phrase right here. Then I'll put a space and look at all these details, all these long tail keywords. So I chose Elgato Cam Link versus Elgato HD60 or Cam Link 4K unboxing, and then I will put another space and I see whether I get more key phrase or not. I don't get any other key phrase, so I go back, space again. Then I look for Elgato Cam Link 4K versus Blackmagic Mini Recorder. I put a space on it and I found no other key phrase recommendation, and I found literally no one else made any video about this long long tail key phrase. This key phrase came from YouTube's suggestion, which means YouTube knows that so many other people are searching for this key phrase, but I found no one else made any video about it. Now, if I make a video, a simple image-based video, that video will easily rank on top for this keyword, and I will find people who are looking for this comparison. They will watch my video, and if my video is useful, informative, they will like me, they will follow me, they will click my links and buy from me, and I will make affiliate commission. So first of all, I will make affiliate commissions, and then I will come back, show what I have done, make another video just like this using Epic, or I will ask any of my team members to make another video using Epic and show this to you so you can learn how to make money online. So this way, we make affiliate commissions, selling products without actually selling, basically just by helping customers with information, and then we come back with the case study of what we have done and make more money teaching how to make money online. So here is a bonus. Go to udemy.com because Udemy has 100 million customers and 20% of those customers come from Google, and search for anything like affiliate marketing. You say I'm teaching affiliate marketing now and I'm making videos about affiliate marketing. So what I'm going to do is upload my bundle of videos on Udemy like this one and sell as a course. Udemy has their own customers. They will purchase and I will make money. So using the same videos without making additional videos, we are making money. Let's check how much money these guys made. Let's ask Siri how much these guys made. Hey Siri, how much is 42,068 times 12.99?
42,068 times 12.99 is 546,463.32.
$500,000 using the same videos without extra work. Looks good? So this is how to make money online. Take these screenshots while enjoying browsing around. Put those screenshots on Epic. Talk about those screenshots, notes, texts, whatever you see, whatever happening in the world and whatever customers are looking for. Help them sincerely with the information they're looking for, and they will love you, they will follow you, they will buy from your link. YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, Udemy will send you customers. All start from your sincere interest of helping others and putting the information you gather inside Epic. Epic is free, by the way, link is in the description. And publish your information on the internet and let the world know about that information. They get help, they buy, you make money. Super simple. Did you like this video? If yes, hit the like button and share this video with your friends, family, social media contacts, and your social media timeline. This way, you're helping us reach more people and you're helping others learn what you have just learned. We will love you and we will give you more information, more education, more of our software is free. All the links are in the description. YouTube will love you and let you know about more and more interesting information. And your friends and family will love you because you shared helpful information with them. They will follow you and eventually they will become your first customers and clients. This is exactly how we make money, and hundreds of thousands of other people make money. Hit the like button, share this video, and if you subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button. YouTube will notify you when we will upload our next money making video, and we will see you in the next video.